Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a serving dish shaped as a trapezoidal prism. Okay, that means the cross section is a trapezium. Alright. Length of AB, BC, AD, CD and BF are given, and the depth of this dish is 4 cm. We are going to coat the interior of this dish with a material that costs 2 cents per cm square. Okay, so take note that the dimension is per cm square. That means this gives us a clue actually. This means that we are looking at the surface area, because the unit of an area is cm square. Okay, so with that in mind, find the cost of the material to coat this dish, and we are only coating the interior of this dish. Okay, so there's something for us to take note of. Later on, for part B, water is going to flow into the dish at a rate of 7,200 cm cube per minute. Again, this one will give us some clue. The cm cube is the unit for volume. And therefore, for part B, we should be looking at volume later on. Alright, so for part A, to help us, I actually draw the net of the interior, and you can see that there is 5 surfaces, out of which there is a trapezium, and rectangles. Okay, so therefore, all we have to do is to step 1, I need to find the total surface area of this dish, of the interior. Inside is like that. So there will be 2 trapezium. That's why I times 2. And to find the area of a trapezium, half times the sum of the parallel sides, in this case 16 and 10, times the height of the trapezium, 4. Then there are 2 more surfaces that I would want to find. One is this 5. Oh yeah, I did not write down the 18 here. Okay, so you will see 18 times 5, there are 2 of them, so I times 2. There is also the middle 10 by 18 rectangle. Then I will be able to get the area of the interior, 464 cm square, and I will then be able to find the cost of the material. 1 cm square is 2 cents, 464 cm square, I multiply by 0.02, $9.28. For part B, we are looking at the area, and I'm going to duplicate the diagram out. And trapezium, the cross section is here. So to find the volume of this particular dish is the cross-sectional area multiplied by the length. Okay, so step 1 is for us to find the volume of this dish, and of course in this case here we should be using another version, which is the cross section inner area multiplied by the length of this prism, and they are the same thing. It means the base area and cross-sectional area generally is talking about the same surface. The length and the height is generally talking about this same surface. And therefore, I will be able to get this 936 cm cube, where this is the base area or the cross-sectional area. This is the length of the prism. And then I will be able to then gather the time to finish completely. I will have to divide by the rate, which is 7020 cm cube for every minute. This will give me 2/15 minutes, and then I will have to convert it to seconds by multiplying by 60. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.